Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas Suncatcher Kits is probably one of the most enchanting ways to bring the festive spirit into your home, allowing children to create their own dazzling decorations that capture and refract light, transforming ordinary windows into vibrant displays of holiday cheer and imaginative artistry, making it a perfect activity for the season. Number 5. SUNGEMMERS Window Art Kids Crafts Diamond Art Kit. Transform your windows into dazzling works of art with this DIY Suncatcher kit. Simply peel and stick the gems onto the pre-printed designs to create beautiful stained glass effects. This kit includes multiple vibrant designs like flowers, flamingos, and trees. The gemstone stickers adhere easily to glass and other smooth surfaces, creating a shimmering effect in natural light. Say goodbye to glue and mess. The stickers are removable, allowing for easy adjustments and redesigns with zero cleanup. It's pure creative fun for everyone. Designed for ages 6 and up, this kit helps build fine motor skills, focus, and creativity. Kids can enjoy hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment while making real art. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, this is a worry-free gift for children. Parents appreciate the easy cleanup, and kids love the beautiful finished window art. This unique craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or summer fun. It's a great way for children to explore their artistic side while decorating their space. What we like. This kit offers a completely mess-free crafting experience with its peel and stick gems. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss activity for younger children or a way to avoid sticky situations, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for parents who want an easy cleanup and kids who love immediate results. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to create beautiful suncatchers. The colors are vibrant and the designs are appealing to children. Easy to assemble, even for younger children with a little help. Number 4. Creativity for Kids Holiday Big Gem Diamond Painting Kit. Get into the holiday spirit with this all-in-one craft kit. You can create dazzling Christmas crafts by designing festive stickers and suncatchers, perfect for decorating gifts, windows, or cards. Everything you need is included to make crafting frustration-free, even for beginners. Simply peel, pick up, and place your gems to create stunning holiday art. Add shimmer to your season with gem-studded creations that sparkle in the light. Use your finished designs to decorate cards, gifts, or hang them in a sunny window for a magical touch. This is a perfect activity for cozy craft nights, classrooms, or playdates. It builds fine motor skills, patience, and creativity while keeping you entertained all season long. Founded in 1976, this brand has proudly designed high-quality crafts that inspire imagination and build confidence. It's made with kid-friendly materials, trusted by parents and loved by kids. With over 1,000 colorful gems, you can enjoy hours of merry, screen-free fun this season. It's a bright and joyful twist on classic gem art kits. What we like. This is an all-in-one holiday kit designed to get kids into the festive spirit. If you want a craft that specifically celebrates Christmas and includes a large quantity of gems for a sparkling finish, this is the one. It's perfect for winter craft nights or as a special holiday gift. What people say. The suncatchers are easy for kids to paint and decorate. They come with plenty of sticky gems and glitter glue to add sparkle. The finished suncatchers look beautiful when hung in the window. Number 3. Blue Marble Santa's Christmas Science Workshop. Celebrate the Christmas season with this magical science kit. Your child will explore 5 festive science experiments that blend holiday fun with educational discovery. Dive into 5 enchanting experiments. They'll make instant snow, grow crystal-covered Christmas trees, create a bouncy snowball, mold squishy snowflakes, and explore fascinating hydrophobic sand. Keep the holiday fun going with over 20 additional activities in the bonus booklet. There's a festive project for every day, from making dancing snowmen to creating glue snowflakes. The kit comes with everything needed for the experiments and clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Your child can start their scientific adventures right away, with no extra materials required. Blue Marble proudly develops award-winning products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They offer a U.S. support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This kit uniquely blends holiday fun with educational discovery through science. If you're looking for a gift that is both entertaining and educational, focusing on STEM principles, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for curious kids who love hands-on experiments and learning. What people say. The Suncatchers are easy for kids to paint and decorate. The kit includes everything needed to create beautiful suncatchers. The finished suncatchers look lovely when hung in a window. Number 2. Blue Marble Santa's Christmas Craft Kit. Step into Santa's workshop and create 15 enchanting Christmas crafts. This kit brings holiday magic to life through hands-on creativity, from suncatchers to magnetic tile art. Craft and decorate 4 beautiful suncatchers that capture the holiday spirit. Hang them in your windows and enjoy their festive glow all season long. Use glow-in-the-dark paints to bring holiday images to life on 4 river stones. They are perfect for decorating your home or giving as unique gifts. Everything kids need for each craft is included, from paints and brushes to magnetic tile art. Easy-to-follow instructions make it fun for all ages. We proudly develop products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. Our U.S. support team ensures a stellar experience for every customer. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of 15 different Christmas crafts, including unique options like painting holiday rocks with glow-in-the-dark paints. If you want a kit that provides a diverse crafting experience and allows kids to create multiple types of holiday decorations and gifts, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who enjoy variety and want to make many different festive items. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. It comes with everything you need to make beautiful suncatchers. The suncatchers turned out so pretty and the kids had a lot of fun making them. The kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear, making it a perfect activity for a rainy day. Number 1. SUNGEMMERS Gem Window Art Suncatcher Kit. Discover the joy of creating beautiful, sparkling window art. This kit provides everything you need to bring vibrant designs to life. Creating dazzling decorations is easy and clean. Just place the colorful gems on the templates, no glue or extra tools required. Craft enchanting mermaid, dolphin, and turtle suncatchers. These designs will add a splash of magic to any window. Once your masterpiece is complete, it clings to windows with static. You can easily move them around without any sticky residue. This engaging activity helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a perfect way to spark creativity. Looking for a unique and educational gift? This STEM-friendly craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like. This kit focuses on creative suncatcher designs with a fun mermaid theme, offering a unique artistic outlet. If your child loves mermaids and wants to create decorative window art that is easy to reposition, this is the ideal kit. It's perfect for kids who enjoy themed crafts and want to decorate their windows repeatedly. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to create beautiful suncatchers, with plenty of colorful gems and easy-to-follow instructions. Kids love the variety of shapes and the ability to personalize each suncatcher with their own designs. The finished suncatchers look stunning when hung in a window, catching the light and creating a lovely rainbow effect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.